Are you getting the free time outside of your agency to enjoy family, friends, and life as much as you'd like? So many insurance agency owners I work with have found a way to create financial success. They've grown their business. They've won a lot of industry or company awards, but they're not yet living the life they want to live. Now, what's interesting is I work with entrepreneurs other than insurance agency owners, and many of their business models are not as steady. They're not as solid as an insurance agency. At least in the United States of America, if you have a multi-line insurance agency and let's say 50 to 60 to 70% of your renewals are coming from property and casualty, that's a pretty steady business model. If you're earning the income you need to be earning and able to afford a solid team, it's really not that difficult for you to start making sure you're taking the time to enjoy life. So in the 3-Day Weekend Entrepreneur Program, we have a very simple thing. It's called the 3-Day Weekend Decision. It's where you decide in your life that play comes before focus or work, that life is more important than the hustle or the grind. And so as it says here, play 3 days, hustle 4. And it's meant to be in that sequence. Now, you don't have to have a 3-day weekend per se to enjoy life. Some people would rather have a 30-hour work week kind of situation or a 25-hour work week where they're getting off in time to be present with their kids who maybe are getting off from school. But my point is, if you're going to be working hard, if you're creating this business, chances are you started it for freedom. You wanted freedom to make more money. You wanted freedom of time to enjoy activities like kids' soccer matches, or to go fishing, or to go shopping, to go on a trip with friends whenever you want to, or with family. And so if you're not doing that, it's something that you're really just shorting yourself for no reason. So many business owners find themselves feeling guilty if they're out of the office while their team members or their employees are in the office. And one of the first things you can do is to start creating the lifestyle and the life that you most want, knowing that once you reach a certain level of comfort with that and stability with that, and the business truly runs like a business where you don't have to be there, then you can start rewarding team members with similar opportunities for time off, for ability to enjoy their family and their friends and the things that are most important to them. So I invite you to consider this very simple task, challenge, and invitation. For the next 12 weeks, don't work on Friday or Saturday or Sunday. Have it be that you're touching nothing to do that has with work. You're not touching any email. You're not doing any research. You're not reading any books. And if you haven't figured out what to do with that time, talk with your spouse, your family members, your friends. Find something exciting to do and just make it so you can only work 4 days a week. And in those 4 days, if you want to work 10-hour days, so be it. You can probably get away with still working the same number of hours. But make that a reality for you and allow yourself to experience what it's like, the freedom of being able to have your weekends off and to know that your team can cover you. Tell your team members that if you make it through these 12 weeks and you have the Friday, Saturday, Sunday off and everything is taken care of, nothing explodes, there's no complaint calls, you don't get bothered, that you'll have a bonus for them. And what you can do is start making it to where they want you to have Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays off because it's financially in their best interest to do so. And then eventually you let them know that where we're also going with this is we want to have situations where they can have performance-based incentives that if they hit certain targets, if they hit certain goals that are important to you, that they can earn additional paid time off. And eventually maybe they can create a 3-day weekend type lifestyle. I hope you find this helpful. It's meant to be very simple. I don't want you thinking a lot about it. I really want you taking action. That's what seems to work best with the coaching clients I work with to make things happen. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. As always, I look forward to helping you impact more people with your work and make more money in less time. Do what you do best so you can fully enjoy your family, your friends, your freedom, and your life. Thanks for listening.